Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. And you know, when I try something, I'm gonna put it up on my channel. So, you know, I've been doing the KaChava for a while. They've just now come out with a coconut flavor. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up and see what it tastes like. Of course, the issue right now, I'm trying to find the scoop. So I'll steal it out of the chocolate blend. Oh, I love it. I love the chocolate. I love the vanilla. I love them all. And the nice thing about it is they all mix up really, really good. You know, you don't have that freaking lagging, I want to say sawdust. Sawdust situation. All right, I put it in a standard travel mug. Mustang. And I use one of these stainless steel shaker things, or shaker balls. Hopefully that'll do the trick. Fortunately, in this case, it wants to roll out. But if you get an actual shaker bottle and it has one of those in it, it'll do much better. The other way to do it is through this. As you saw in a couple of my other videos that I'll tag to this, I actually mix fruit in with the chocolate or the vanilla, bananas. We actually get a fruit bowl from Wegmans, and it's got everything from strawberries to pineapple, blueberries, regular grapes, honeydew melon, and the other melon as well. Okay, there we are. It mixed up pretty well with the ball just by itself, just shaking it. So didn't have any the ball's in here still, but it didn't have any check the bottom, and it didn't have any issues with leftover or all mixed up, no problem. All right, let's see how it's got kind of a purple or a berry color to it. In the video here, it kind of looks like it's brown, like chocolate, but it's not at all. 12 to 14 ounces, depending on how strong you want the taste. So let's see how that. Yep, it's got a berry and coconut flavor to it. Enjoyable. So it passes my recommendation. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Go down in my description and click on that link for a $15 discount on your first order. I'll catch you on the next Crosby vlog.